Welcome to my channel, everyone. Take a look at this kind of channel. It's completely 2D animated with the help of AI. And trust me, these types of channels are blowing up right now, gaining thousands of subscribers and pulling in millions of views every single day. Each upload easily crosses millions of views because this style of animation is colorful, fun, and super addictive to watch. Kids enjoy it, adults love it, and the content never really feels repetitive. And here's the exciting part, these videos don't even look like they're AI generated. They come across as real 2D animations with funny characters, crazy plots, and trending ideas that keep viewers hooked until the very end. Today, I'll show you exactly how you can make these kinds of viral animated videos yourself. Step by step, I'll guide you on how to create animations that look natural, professional, and entertaining, without wasting months learning complicated software. All you really need are some free tools, a bit of creativity, and the methods I'm about to reveal. So make sure you stay until the very end, because if you follow along with me, you can start producing videos like this today. And who knows, maybe your channel will be the next one to blow up with millions of views and thousands of new subscribers. Just grab a screenshot, come into ChatGPT, and here's the crucial part, paste your screenshot and write these magic words. I want to create this type of 2D animation video. Please provide me 10 prompts. Make sure the same characters are included just like in the picture. And then boom, the magic begins right in front of you. ChatGPT will instantly generate highly detailed prompts for you. These prompts are designed to help you produce amazing 2D animated images, exactly like the ones trending on popular channels. I'm 100% confident these prompts will work for you. You'll be able to create stunning, professional-looking animations without spending endless hours trying to master difficult software. That's the real power of AI. And the best part? ChatGPT isn't just limited to 2D. You can also use it for 3D animation, character designs, AI short films, storyboards, and a whole lot more. No matter what area you're in, content creation, education, entertainment, or even business, ChatGPT can save time, spark creativity, and help you produce content people actually enjoy watching. Think about it. Millions are already watching and subscribing to channels that use this exact process. Each video is getting thousands or even millions of views because AI-based content is trending harder than ever. So, if you've been dreaming about growing your channel or making viral videos, now is your chance. With just one screenshot and a few simple lines in ChatGPT, you can start creating 2D animated videos that look polished, exciting, and completely original. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share extra tips to make your videos even more engaging, the kind of content that keeps viewers watching, subscribing, and sharing over and over. Now, it's time to make your own 2D animated images. And yes, I'm about to show you an incredible website that generates free AI-based animated pictures. The site is Meta AI. You'll find the link in the description below. This platform is totally free, super powerful, and can create jaw-dropping 2D animations for you within seconds. Just paste your prompt, hit enter, and boom, you instantly get beautiful, high-quality images ready for your video. And here's the best part. No credits required, no hidden fees, no payment at all. You can make unlimited, full HD, professional quality 2D images absolutely free. Yes, you heard that right, unlimited and free. But there's even more. On the left panel of Meta AI, you'll notice a list of different styles. You can choose from 3D, cartoon, Pixar-like, realistic, and many others. Pick the one that suits your video's theme, and Meta AI will instantly generate the perfect image. This gives you the freedom to experiment creatively. Imagine making funny cartoon videos one day and professional 3D animations the next, all in minutes without paying a cent. Meta AI is truly a game changer. It's fast, user-friendly, and perfect for beginners. Even if you've never made animations before, this platform makes it simple enough for anyone to do. Whether you want to create shorts, full YouTube videos, or viral content, Meta AI has you covered. So, if you're serious about leveling up your content, don't skip this step. Open Meta AI, paste in your prompts, and start generating 2D animated images today. Trust me, once you try it, you'll be amazed at how powerful and fun it is. Now let's move to the most important stage, editing. This step will polish your video and make it YouTube ready. First, drag and drop all your generated clips into CapCut or Filmora. I personally use CapCut because it's simple, powerful, and yes, completely free. I'll share a safe download link in the description below. Once your clips are in CapCut, arrange them in the right sequence to fit your story. Then, select all the clips together and apply a slight zoom in. This clever trick removes the watermark from your free videos instantly. Next, dive into the transitions section. CapCut comes with loads of smooth fades, wipes, and stylish animations. Adding these between your clips makes your video seamless and polished, just like pro creators do. Don't skip the effects tab either. This is where the real magic happens. You can add amazing effects like 3D movements, fly-throughs, glowing colors, cinematic filters, and more. Choose the ones that suit your video's vibe and adjust them for maximum impact. You can also insert titles, captions, and text overlays to make your video more engaging. Highlight key moments, drop in fun pop-up texts, or include your social handles directly in the video. And of course, every good video needs audio. CapCut provides a big library of free music and sound effects. From background tracks to funny cartoon sounds, you can add anything to bring your video alive. With these editing tricks, zooming to remove watermarks, using transitions, adding effects, captions, and music, your video will look professional, polished, and ready to go viral. So go ahead, finish your edit, export your video, and share it with the world. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Your support means the world, and I'll keep bringing you free tools, tips, and strategies to help your channel grow.